Sedona Soulfire. Welcome to my hip work drill series. In this class, we'll be exploring the dynamic potential of hip twists and side hip shapes. We'll work to refine and clarify different shapes and patterns that can be danced on a single hip. We'll look at punctuated drops, vertical and horizontal circles, as well as twist variations. In the second combination, we'll delve into the Egyptian basic, playing with vibrant expressions of the twist, covering congruent arm frames and how the twist can be placed on different step patterns. Both of the drill combos are high energy. Make sure you are warmed up and have water nearby. I'm looking forward to dancing with you. Let's get started.